Next, this is medical terminology. High blood pressure is koketsatsu. So let's add another kanji. Isho. Illness or symptoms. So become Kitsu Atsu Sho. So become high blood pressure. So our medical term this is hypertension or hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia.